after Sandy occurred and we had such a devastating amount of outage and loss. Our jobs were looking at ways to rebuild stations to get them up above the water level from storm surge, and then build infrastructure that was reliable and sturdy. We always look at how much footprint we're taking and what does that expansion of footprint mean in terms of the environmental impacts of that job. Are we expanding into areas that are constrained either for endangered species or wetlands or flood mitigation, those types of concerns.
We try to avoid any impacts we can, and we have implemented the use of helicopters, wetland matting for temporary access for heavy equipment. We've actually built boardwalks through large wetland complexes to avoid impacts associated with access for personnel to work on that equipment. We actually use helicopters for doing our assessments of our transmission towers and wires so that we don't have to impact the environment to enter those areas wherever we can.
I've always had a personal pride of the type of work we do because I want to see that eagle. I want to see the bats, and I have an interest in making sure they're protected.